look at this beautiful, sleek machine. Very nice. That's how it comes out of the box. So take a quick look at the neck. You can see that it's got a couple bumpers here with probably the heating element back here. So this tells you how far you can put it against the wall. So you can just mark knack on the rubber bumpers. You can go. It's got a nice solid, about a 3-foot cord. And first thing you will adjust, prone tray. Very nice sleep looking. We can just kind of find that on the bottom. That's a good size, very easy to clean. I shot right in. Then get the grill or the whatever tray this is called. We've got different heights here, so depending on what you're looking at, broil, toast, may want to choose those heights. But you also have 3 of those. Getting middle. The thing you also have the 2 other pans that come with it for whatever you're going to bake or cook. So it's got a lot of versatility. You can see it's got cookies, reheat, pizza, bagel, toast, bake, broil. So it's not that you're always going to get the same heat. For toast, it'll be equal on both sides. But for broil, obviously the top is going to get a little crisp up. So really nice for that. You get a reheat function here. If you want, you can actually switch between Fahrenheit and centigrade down here. So here's, you just push this to start, and what you can see is it's red, and that means it's preheating, and then eventually it will just start once it comes up to speed. And it's got a 4-element heater, so it does come up to heat really fast, get a good preheat. And I think it's an 1800 watt element, so it's very powerful. If you're over here, you can change the darkness by going between 1 and 7, and you can change the number of slices here. It's actually going to be easier to read if I take the display off here. Then you can see, and there's your slices there, so I can change the darkness, or I can change the slice amount from 1 to 4. And again, bagel would give you more toast on the top and less on the bottom. Pizza, depending if it's frozen or fresh, you might want to experiment. Bake, boil, again, is going to give you the nice top heat. And bake, you can change the temperature down here by just simply turning this. So just love it. The dials feel great. It's a really solid unit. Crumb tray comes out very nice as well. So I can't recommend this enough. Again, the one we had was working just fine, but I spilled something all over it and it melted on the back, and my wife didn't like the look of it, so I gave it to a friend who was extremely happy. And I'm happy because we've got a nice new shiny one, which I probably won't even be allowed to use, but if I am, they work great, and I'll be looking forward to it. So this is the Breville. I think if you pick this up, you'd really enjoy it.